Yo, it's good. Got a recap for today. I didn't take any trades again, just because I'm not taking anything on the week. But yeah, let's go over what I saw. Okay, so there were two proper setups I saw. I only took one of them. I would have only taken one of them, like theoretically, which is this one here. But yeah, I'll just go over it. So 4 hour, 4 hour was bearish on both GU and EU. EU, I feel like a geek when I say that. On Euro USD and GBP USD, broke structure to the downside with this, never cleared up a high, and we were in an imbalance. So that was extra confluence. 1 hour was bullish coming in because we just took out this high. So that was something to be aware of. We had Asian highs up here, London highs up here, and then London lows, and then Asian lows down here. So I was looking ideally for price to come into one of them. Market opened right below the Asian high. We were right at the London high, but because we were right at the Asian high, I was kind of like I was looking for a reaction off of that. We came into it, poked a little bit, and then I was looking for some kind of reaction. We had an inverse fair value gap right here, which I had marked out previously, but it got respected quite well, so I wasn't really trying to enter off that because, yeah. So later, market rallied up, got close to the absolute high, took out this little high, and yeah, just got in there for a bit, and then oh, this would have been like a 1% trade. That's what the one. But yeah, so there was an inverse fair value gap right here, and then I kind of want to see if we could disrespect this fair value gap as well, because this was right below as well. So once we disrespected that, would have entered short. Yeah, this didn't look at the charts after that, and price ended up coming to take profit one, which was a 1-to-1. So yeah, not the best, I guess, but yeah. EU on the other hand was much better of a setup, but I kind of reasoned myself out of taking it because I just didn't really like the entry. So 4 hours was bearish, similar to GU. 1 hour was bullish, I believe, or we barely broke structure on this one, but it was, yeah, barely. So on the 30-minute, we had Asian highs up here, Asian lows here, London highs here, and then London lows here. So price opened right at the London high, like right below the London high. We came above it, and then we actually came into the Asian low. So because of that, I didn't really feel like there was any strong reaction off the London high. So I felt like it was a bit of like a less of a confluence to go short based on the London high. But we also had the Asian low right there, so it's kind of extra confluence. So that gave me some more confidence on that. But yeah, so originally I was looking for this fair value gap to get inversed when we had this initial reaction or have a break of structure, but we pushed right past, came into the Asian lows, and then had a fair value gap right here that barely got inverse, so I didn't really consider that an entry. But then we did retrace up back into equilibrium right here with the 0.5 line. Came below, so I was looking either for a closure below or a 1-minute break of structure. On the 1 minute, however, we barely broke structure with this one, and then the next candle potentially could have entered on that, but I just thought maybe not because I was already in, and it wasn't really like the best risk reward to TP1 that I wanted. So yeah, it wasn't really the best take profit, like best risk reward, but I mean it was a more probable trade, I would say. Would have hit all three take profits, I mean all four, but it was just the entry thing that I didn't really like, because the 5-minute closed way below and it wasn't really ideal to enter all the way down here. So yeah, so oh yeah, JPY, there wasn't really anything that I liked on this. 4 hour was bearish. 4 hour was bearish. We never broke structure to the upside since this week opened. So yeah, looking for sells. 1 hour was bearish as well, closing below this low. On the 30-minute, there were Asian lows down here, and we had Asian highs all the way up here. London highs were also much more like in grasp, and then we had London lows, which would have been like kind of the target. So on the 5-minute, we opened between London high, London low. I was looking for London high to get taken, but price just stayed like this for quite a bit. Started moving up, and then once it got to here, I was looking for like a gap to get inversed or a break of structure with this low. With this low, but price just kept on going higher and higher, and I feel like entering off this and like looking for confirmation was kind of like not really like a good move, because this wouldn't have been a reaction based off of the high or the Asian low. So, and it was also like after 8, right? After 8, right? So not really the best entry, because we would have like inverse broke structure with this candle here, and then inverse somewhere there. But yeah, this was like after 8 p.m. So not looking to enter off that. I haven't really seen any good GBP JPY entries lately, so not really sure about that. But Euro USD has been really good, I would say, and then GBP USD also pretty good, because Euro USD and GBP USD go pretty well. The thing I didn't really notice is like this one was consolidating a lot, but you just kept on pushing through. But I didn't get to take advantage of these either of these, because I'm not taking actual live trades. So yeah, I mean, market has been kind of weird. Maybe just because of the tariffs, kind of, but just gonna stay off for this week. I think there's news tomorrow. I think there's CPI. Thursday is PPI, I believe. Where is? Oh no, Wednesday is FOMC meeting minutes, and then Thursday is CPI. Friday is PPI, I think. Yeah, so I'm not gonna look to trade for all of this, but so what are some things I did well today? I think I was patient with this. I was able to look at it objectively. I think not having any like risk on the table is like kind of making me trade a bit better. Like I feel like I'm more patient with entering. I did feel a bit of FOMO when seeing this, because this wasn't really like a prominent thing, but I think it's good that I stay patient instead of FOMOing into the trade, because I wanted to get a better risk reward. So I think it would have been better for me to wait up here. And even then, with the 1 minute, maybe I was just acting a bit out of fear, but I think I didn't force anything. Maybe could have entered here or something, but this was like barely maybe like, I don't know, maybe I could have said that I wanted to enter, but didn't really like that. So that's something I think I did good. I was patient, and I also didn't look at the charts at all after. Like I just closed my phone, closed my computer, and just didn't look. Even if I was looking at Euro USD, I was not looking at GBP USD. I think I got better at that. Maybe it's just because I don't have actual like money on the line, but if I could just practice not looking at the charts, I think it would be really beneficial when I actually start taking trades again. Something I did bad though, I think, was maybe I was acting out of fear with this Euro USD trade, but I didn't really want to force anything. I also think I maybe overanalyzed a bit. Like I got the DXY here, just watching it. If it like broke structure to the upside or inverse this cap, I was like, oh, that's confirmation to the upside. So maybe GU and EU would go down now. So maybe that's something I did bad, but I feel like this also benefited me a little bit. I just gotta make sure I don't get super deep into thinking about what the DXY is doing. If I like going back to like the good things I did, if I was staring at the chart, I probably would have like emotionally gotten out of this trade. But I think it's good that I wasn't looking at it at all. Good thing I didn't open it on my phone. Good thing I didn't look at it like when I was on the chart still. But yeah, that's a good thing. I don't even know what I'm saying, but what else? So yeah, maybe I'll go over some emotions I felt. I felt a bit of FOMO when I saw EU start moving down. I also felt a bit of fear when I saw EU moving back up, because I thought GU was moving back up as well and would have stopped me out. But I didn't really have a care in my mind because I wasn't actually in the trade. But I think if I could practice detaching myself from the actual trade, I'll just stop worrying too much about the trade. But this is like ideally what the setup would look like on a good day. Like as you can see, we immediately at market open came out, took out the London highs, made a reaction off of that, and then kept on pushing higher. Similar to GU, right when market opened, we came into Asian highs. Well, not really big of a deal because we actually already had taken out the London highs, but see a reaction off of that. That's ideally what we take. This one like chopped around for a little bit, but not that bad. But this was a good take profit as well because price actually like reversed right after that. So yeah, man, that's it. I'm not gonna take any trades for the rest of this week still. Well, But when I get money, I need to delete these things. But yeah, that's all. I know what my setup looks like. Just gotta be patient for it, wait for it. Yeah, that is all. Goodbye.